Hello friends, welcome to youtube.com oblique Dr. V channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head, Veterinary Medicine. We have already discussed enterotoxemia type A. Already video is there. Now here we discuss enterotoxemia type B. It is a bacterial disease. In part 1, we will discuss synonym, introduction, etiology and epidemiology of enterotoxemia type B. Friends, here we'll see synonym of enterotoxemia type B. There is one synonym and it is very famous, lamb dysentery. Dysentery in the lamb. It is a serious diarrhea. Feces may contain blood. Lamb dysentery occur below 3 weeks of age lamb. Pathology is acute hemorrhagic to mucohemorrhagic enteritis. The condition is such a severe that there is death within few hours or 1 to 4 days. So popular synonym is lamb dysentery. Introduction about enterotoxemia type B. It causes severe hemorrhagic enteritis. There is dysentery. Clostridium perfringens type B produce many type of toxin. Toxin is absorbed into the circulation, causes more severe condition, toxemia, which causes high mortality in young animals, especially young lambs, cows, pigs, and foals are suffering. In the intestine, it causes focal areas of necrosis, and that leads to a descent. Etiology of enterotoxemia type B. It is caused by Clostridium perfringens type B. This type B produce major toxin, alpha toxin, beta toxin and epsilon toxin. It also produces number of minor toxins also. Among all this, beta toxin is a potent responsible for the pathogenesis. Beta toxin produce enteritis. It causes a severe intestinal damage. It is highly necrotizing and lethal toxin, cause severe necrosis in intestine and death of the animal. Continue with the etiology, Clostridium perfringens type B. The toxin causes inhibition of proteolysis in the intestine, main pathology. The epsilon toxin also produce effect on the nervous tissue when they are absorbed into the circulation and causes toxemia. The colostrum of the mother contain trypsin inhibitory factor. The trypsin inhibitory factor inhibits the trypsin enzyme. This trypsin enzyme causes the destruction of the beta toxin. But when trypsin inhibitory factor is there, it increases the susceptibility of the young piglet. So trypsin inhibitory factor is important. Clostridium perfringens is a gram-positive, spore-forming anaerobic bacteria. Here we discuss the epidemiology of enterotoxemia type B. Prevalence of infection. The infection occur in India also, South Africa, UK and Europe. The disease is widely prevalent in many countries, but prevalence is comparatively less in India. The organism is present in animal housing environment. An organism is present as a normal inhabitant of the alimentary tract of healthy animals. So whenever there is stress factor, the organism proliferate and, and the organism causes the disease enterotoxemia. Friends, here we'll see synonym of enterotoxemia type B. There is one synonym and it is very famous, lamb dysentery. Dysentery in the lamb. It is serious diarrhea. Feces may contain blood. Lamb dysentery occur below 3 weeks of age lamb. Pathology is acute hemorrhagic to mucohemorrhagic enteritis. The condition is such a severe that there is death within few hours or 1 to 4 days. So popular synonym is lamb dysentery. Sources of infection of Clostridium perfringens type B. The organisms are excreted feces. Feces is the main route of excretion. The organisms are excreted by adult carrier animals and sick lambs, and feces contaminate soil and pasture. This is the important source of infection. Infected animal is also a source of infection. When there is intensification of killing pan, lambing pan, seeds, lens, there are more infection because when there is intensification, the space is less, all the time the animals are inside. So there is additional stress. It is also observed that aerosol infection also act as a source of infection. That is because of intensification. Transmission of Clostridium perfringens type B. The transmission mostly occur through contact with infected animal. The organism enters through inhalation of the spores because environment contains spores. Ingestion of contaminated material because the fecal material contaminate environment, soil, pan, land, all these things. The teat of the ewes become contaminated with feces and soil, and the lamb acquire the infection orally during sucking of the milk. This is the source of infection as well as transmission of disease also. Host affected by Clostridium perfringens type B. Cattle, sheep, goat and pigs, especially the newborns, are highly susceptible. Adults are not much. The lambs up to 3 weeks of age susceptible, cows up to 1 month of age, piglets first few days of the life, foals first few days of the life. Thus, the newborn animals of the ruminants are highly susceptible. Friends, here we discussed details about enterotoxemia type B caused by Clostridium perfringens type B. We have discussed synonym, introduction, etiology and epidemiology. Please share this information to veterinarians and veterinary students to promote the channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video.